Hello student, I am Priyanka Doshi. In this session, we study about the Macavity, the Mystery Cat, the third poem of NCERT book class 8th. Do you know about the pet cat? Ever you heard about it? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about the cat? Is it not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery? But here we are talking about the Macavity. It is a mystery cat. Today we are going to understand the poem of cat, the name Macavity, the mystery cat. It is beautiful poem. It is written by a famous writer named Mr. T.S. Eliot. He had described it in such a rhyming way that it not only makes us feel so surrounded with the poem but also raises the curiosity in us. Today I explained this poem line by line to you and I expect to listen it very carefully. Here we start. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the Wafflement of Scotland, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Now, Macavity was a mysterious cat, means the people did not know much about it. So, he was named as a mystery cat. Hidden paw is another name given to it. Paw is generally the foot of an animal and he was called hidden paw because he was usually hidden, never seen. He was the master criminal, a very well known criminal who could disobey the law. He never followed rules and regulations. Bafflement means confusion. Scotland Yard is the headquarters of London Police Force. Everybody in London Police Force confused about his identity. Even the flying squad. Despair means sad. Flying squads means a group of police or soldiers ready to move in an action quickly whenever there is a disobedience of civil law. Macavity had created a lot of confusion and sadness for flying squads because he was never caught. This confusion and sadness happened because whenever they reached the crime scene, he was always away. Macavity was never there. Macavity is one of his kind that there is nobody like this cat. Now come to the second stranger, Macavity. There's no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Now in this stranger, he was such a cat that who had broken every law and order of that place. Law means law we follow in our life. What is law of gravity? Means that we are grounded always, but wherever he has to commit a crime, he would disappear as if he had vanished into the air. The law of gravity did not work on him at all. It was like that. Now he had such a power of levitation, means to float in the air without any support. He had those magical power by which he could in the air, and when fakirs, the fakirs means these are the people who's like a saint, do not own any property, live alone, live lonely life dedicated to God. When these fakirs saw the magical power of levitation of Macavity, they also used to stare at him in amazement. Now, in the third stanza, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And whenever anybody try to catch hold of Macavity or try to catch him red-handed, he was never found on the crime scene. Now, if you try to find him, you may search him in the basement. Basement means underground area. You may go underground or you may search him up in the air or in the sky. Macavity will never be found. He was never there. Now in the next stranger, Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, his brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. This stranger explained the physical appearance of Macavity. Let's read it through Macavity. The color of the mystery cat Macavity, the color of the body of the Macavity have light brown color, the color of the ginger, like a ginger. You know the color of the ginger? That is why it is called a ginger cat. He was very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes sunken in. So if in case of luckily you happen to see him, you would immediately recognize him because his eyes were sunken in. They were gone inside the face. His brow means eyebrow, is deeply lined with thought, means there are lines on his forehead as if he is thinking something. There are so many thoughts are going in his mind. His head is highly domed. Domed is a kind of shape and his head is like a domed. Now in this stranger, his coat is dusty from the neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. In this stranger, his coat here refers to a fur of the coat, and his coat is dirty because of neglect. Why neglect? Because he had no time to look after himself. He was all the time committed crime. So he had ignored himself. Even whiskers on his cheek, long hairs of his whiskers on his cheeks were not combed. He moves his head side to side. Macavity has a habit of moving his head from side to side, just like the movement of a snake. These lines here represent a simile. The movement of Macavity is compared with the head of the snake. In this line, the poet explained that how Macavity cheat everyone. That when we feel he is half asleep, but he is not. Actually, he is wide awake. He is just acting and cheating everyone. In this stranger, Macavity, the last stranger, there's no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, the Macavity is not there. Of course, there is no other cat in the entire world is as bad as Macavity. Fiend means devil and feline means pretending to cat species. Feline is generally termed for cats, so the poet here said that Macavity was a devil in a cat shape, a monster of depravity. Depravity means immorality, so he was a monster who had all the immoral values inside him. There was not a tinge of morality inside him. He is like a devil. Whenever he committed a crime, he looked like a devil, but he was in a cat shaped. You meet him in by street. By street means a small street that is parallel to a main street is called by street. Square is an area in the city where people come and meet each other. Means, so the poet says, on the usual day you may find him on a street or in a square, but whenever there is a crime committed by him, after that you will see him again. You will see him committed by him, after that you will never see him again there, the place of crime scene. Thank you, student. I hope you like this poem very much.